Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to automatically send invoices from Google Sheets. So let's get started with the video. So basically, you will need a Google Sheet so you can open any of the browser and you can log in using your Gmail over there. And we are also going to use AppScript for this, which is the inbuilt feature of Google Sheets. So you need to go this dot icon, the basically 8 dots that you see here. You need to click on this and scroll down and you need to open sheets over here. So once you have opened the sheet, you need to open the blank spreadsheet. So first we are going to create the invoice and then we are going to use AppScript to get the invoice on our Gmail. So we need to create few columns here which are needed for the invoice to be sent. As you can see, the data we have entered here in the columns. So once you have entered this data, client name, email, invoice number, amount, due date, status, these are the things which are mandatory for an invoice number. If you want to add additional, you can add it according to your need. I'm going to write an example here. Kritika, you can write the email xyz@gmail.com. Suppose that you can enter the invoice number here, whatever you want. What is the invoice number? The amount, for example, I'm writing here is $200. Due date, what is the due date when they have to pay it till? You have to mention the date here. Once you have mentioned it, is the status paid or is this pending? You have to mention two status over here. For example, it's right now pending, they have to pay it, and we are going to send the invoice. Like this, you can write as many as you want. The next thing which we are going to do is we are going to connect the AppScript to send the email to this particular emails which we have mentioned. For that, what you need to do, you need to go to this extension sign that you see, and here you will see an option of apps script. Click on that. It will take you to another tab. So here basically we need to write the code. So where you are going to get this code, what you can do either is you can open another tab, and in another tab you need to open the AI, that is you can use ChatGPT. And how you can get this code, what you need to do, just copy paste this particular data over here, and once you have copy pasted it, you need to write to ChatGPT this data, and below you can write need to send invoice using app script, and this is the data. Kindly create the app script code for it and send it. So here it will give you a basic code over here. You can see you have got it, this code basically over here. What you can do, you can either copy it, and once you have copied it, you need to go to the AppScript page. You have to remove this page, empty this, and enter the code which the ChatGPT AI have created for this, and make sure that you particularly click on this save icon over here, that is save project to the drive. So once you have saved it, the next thing you need to do is you will see a clock icon at the below side, at the left side, and that is triggers. You need to click on this triggers. Here at bottom right corner, you will see an option of add trigger. Click on that. And here under choose which function to run, you need to choose send invoices. Here you can choose you want to get the failure notifications daily, hourly. You can just choose it according to your need. For example, I have written notify me immediately. Choose which deployment to run. This all changes you have to make it according to your need. Which event source you want to choose, select event type. You can make a on form submit you want, on edit, on open. For example, a person will get this invoice. Do you want any edit changes made by him or not? Once you have done this, you need to click on the save icon. So once you have clicked on the save icon, it automatically gets saved and all the invoices will be sent to the email IDs via AppScript. So if the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.